Some folks get shaken when the truth comes near. They start talking loud cause their heart's in fear. Wasn't nobody calling out their name, but conviction hits hard when you're playing in the blame. Oh Lord, you know every secret we hide. You shine your light, nothing left inside. A clean heart stands still, but the guilty run, trying to cover up what's already been done. Cause the guilty dog barks the loudest, boy. But you hear every voice, every heart, every chord. If the shoe fits, go on and wear it. Let the truth break chains. A guilty conscience needs no accuser. You reveal what remains. Oh Father, lift us, shape us, make wrong things right. Let your mercy turn our darkness into light. Some folks shout louder when they feel that flame, trying to hide their burdens underneath your name. But you don't need a witness to expose what's real. Your spirit moves deep where the soul can't conceal. While we speaking up when nobody asked, while we're running from the mirror of our past. But grace steps in where guilt resides, and your love brings peace where the heart divides. Cause the guilty dog barks the loudest, boy. But you hear every voice, every heart, every chord. If the shoe fits, go on and wear it. Let the truth break chains. A guilty conscience needs no accuser. You reveal what remains. Oh Father, lift us, shape us, make wrong things right. Let your mercy turn our darkness into light. No more hiding, no more hiding. Your truth is healing, your love is kind. Wash us clean, Lord, make our hearts new. Take the guilt away, let us walk in truth. When conviction comes, don't let us fight. Turn a loud confession into shining light. The guilty dog barks the loudest, Lord. But your mercy sings sweeter than any broken chord. If the shoe fits, we'll wear it, then lay it at your feet. A guilty conscience needs no accuser. Your grace makes us complete. Oh Father, thank you for a love so kind, turning shame into strength every single time.